Hi guys, I'm Nitesh and I'm here with this easiest commission ever. Now this tool is claiming, you can see, no domain, no hosting needed, no page builder, which means if you tried all things, okay, you made websites, you did affiliate marketing, you write, you written reviews, you did all things, okay, all things in online marketing, in internet marketing like this, no autoresponder needed, no traffic needed. If you already tired for work tired by working for traffic and all, so no traffic needed, no learning curve, no tech skills needed, no copy skills needed, no investment and something like that. Okay, so no worry guys, we will discuss this product. Okay, I am here with this inside member access area, so we will discuss how much this product is going to do all these things which are written here. Okay, so this is all functions and features you can see here. We will discuss each and every functions step by step. So first of all, you can see this product is claiming something like this. Okay, so I will do all complete review so that you will be able to know this product is going to be fit for you or not. Okay, see results in less than 24 hours, done for you campaigns that our generate this much amount already, free traffic inbuilt. So we will check this one. Okay, learn how to scale your campaign from six figure, all these things. Okay, so all these things you can pause the video and you can read this all things. 60-day double your money back guarantee and all these things. Okay, so just come and we will discuss this all things. Okay, so this is dashboard. Okay, so this is in dashboard, campaign created, total leads and total automation, all this data you can see here if you generate something. Okay, so right now I'm just leaving this one, I'm just going to try something. So for example, first time setup, I'm just going to click this one. Guys, I'm remembering you again because I don't come with practice and all. Okay, I generally open this complete setup in front of you and I generally try to click each and every button so that we will see what is going to happen just because of that features and functions. Okay, so that is my work and I'm just showing you. I clicked on this. This is first time setup. Now this callback URL, please configure your Facebook app using below details. Okay, so you need to do all the things. App ID, app secret key, I think. I don't know what is this actually. For example, it's not clickable right now. So it will be clickable when it will be launched. So don't worry about that. Please ensure you abide by all applicable laws and Facebook platform policy terms and services. And just because of that, after using all this, after do all this work, you have to did this to work and you have to save this one. Okay, so I'm just watching this one right now. This is step one, add list, view list, export. So just see what is going to happen here. Okay, so description and name, list name is okay. My name, description is about entrepreneurship journey, for example. Okay, so this is my list. Okay, I'm just adding this one. So I'm just saving this. So let's see what will happen. Okay, just clicking on this. So list name, select list. This is Hitesh Pukle, this is mine list, and this is campaign. Okay, we will see each and everything. Okay, so I was here. So export. Okay, just let me click on this view list. What is coming? Nothing special. Just clicking on this export. Okay, so select list. For example, I'm selecting mine. So this is the date. This is for example, this is 12/10. So I'm just selecting a future date. Okay, just applying this from here and okay, applying this select country. There is no option right now, country. So I'm just going to search. Actually, what it will search, it may be something like this data which I got by using this list. So right now there is no available details. So just because of this, we will leave this one. Actually, you need to do some setup first. Okay, then you can understand each and everything in deep. Okay, So for example, if I do this, so I need my IDs and all. Callback URL, please configure your Facebook app below. Let me show you if there is any different important thing here. So, okay, app ID, app secrets, privacy URL. Let me click this one. Leave this first. First come here and just copy this one, and let's see what will come. I'm just checking, okay, what is coming after doing all this work. Okay, so right now nothing is coming, so just leave it. Okay, I just tried to check. So in list, okay, let me click on this button. So we can see something. This is about export, so that we can do something outside anything. So setup automation, add new workflow. Okay, let me show you what is inside this. Basic, add step, final step, campaign name required for, okay, luxury items. It's okay. So I'm just continuing this one. Add step. What step? Okay, let me click on this button. Day one is okay. Time 12 a.m. is okay. I'm just okay with all these things. Okay, design email again. Add step or what? I'm not at final step. Design email. So let me click on this. Okay, email templates. Welcome. Don't miss out. Is too much cool. Don't miss out. Get this offer. Okay, perfect. Just for this is just example, guys. Okay, action something like this. I'm just okay. I did this. So I'm just this. I completed all these things. So I'm just doing continue. So I did. Are you sure to apply this automation for all users after today's dates? Yes. So click here to apply automation to all new. Okay, you have to tick mark this one and then you have to submit. Okay, so change you may not be saved. Okay, leave. Okay, so this is my list, guys. Luxury item, which I already given the name. Number of emails is only one. Campaign using this workflow is 0 and created date and all these things. So we should view this, which is done for you workflow. Warning: please purchase OTO1 Pro version. Click here to avail this. Okay. So okay, this is for done for you. So if you want to use this, so you have to go for any type of upsell and OTO. Otherwise, you have to make by your own something little bit, maybe whatever. So this is okay. View workflow. Let's see queued emails. This is something about email marketing, guys. Okay, so just because of this automation, it will work like sending emails and something like that. Okay, so you don't need to do you don't need to use some get response and something like that. So queued email, there is nothing inside queued email, and I even didn't created any list, so I cannot see any queued email. So workflow email history. This setup is completely for email marketing, guys. So mail logs, chart, and okay, this is for analytics, guys. Okay, per day, at every day you can see what is going to happen and something like that. So again, that there is no data. So create campaigns. Now let me see what inside this. So I'm just clicking on this button. Okay, basic step two, final step. Let's check it, guys. Campaign name is YouTube. Okay, YouTube, for example. Okay, redirected URL. Okay, I'm just using this one for example, guys. Okay, so I'm just continuing this. Step number 2 is Facebook app. Replace enter Facebook app detail. Navigate to first time setup menu to create lead generation URL. Okay, setup menu. This is first time setup, but there is no link which is working here. So all things are relatively dependent, guys. App ID, app secret key. So for example, call with your, please configure your application Facebook app using below details. So please create a Facebook app from this link, guys. Okay, so okay, Let's see what will be here. Let's see guys what is coming actually. In this tool you don't have to do all these things, something like traffic and all Facebook for developers. Guys, you will be redirected on this link. So guys, we should get started, okay, because we need actually app id and app secret. Okay, so for these two things I'm looking right now. So for example, let me see this first guys, what is here. All things developer tools, you can see guys, developer tools like business tools, open source, gaming. Okay, this one is good guys. Okay, you should try this guys, because this tool is coming with different things. So for example, we should get started. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. Maybe I will get some app id and app secret, for example. So I'm just okay, continuing my this primary email. Okay, confirm email. Developer, which of the following best describes you? Marketer, manager, analyst, owner, founder. Okay, this is selecting only one thing, guys. So if I choose other, so what will become? Okay, I did complete registration, guys. So let's see what will happen. Actually, I don't use my personal profile and all something like that, but just for showing you, I'm just doing this all things. Okay, but here I have to put my app ID. You can see here app ID and app secret key, something like that. So you see here is create app. Okay, as I know inside this tool. So just going to create this app, and we'll see select an app type. Okay, the app type can't be changed after your app is created. Okay, guys. So for example, I'm choosing for business. Okay, I can go with this gaming workplace and all, because I'm doing gaming too much right now. Connect an off platform game to Facebook login. So if I go with this again, I have to do this one more task. Okay, so it will be too much headache things. So what is here? Create or manage business assets such as page. Okay, I have pages already. Event groups, I have group already. Ads messenger and all these things, ads and messenger and all these things I have. So this is Instagram graph API. I'm not using this right now. So just going to for this one. So it will be easy for us guys. So rate your experience. I will rate it later. So I'm just doing next. Okay, guys. So if I do the next, okay, display name, this app name associated with your app ID. So app name should be BIZZ or triple Z, biz. Okay. So a purpose is this app's primary purpose is to access a new data from Facebook's platform on behalf of yourself or your own business. Yes, correct. This is good for me. If you are developing an app that accesses the user data from Facebook platforms on behalf of clients, guys, I'm doing this first time. Okay, so please, so I'm sorry for that. But if you will see all these things, okay, you will save your time. Okay, guys. Okay, if you do very first time from your side, so it will look like familiar for you, because I'm doing first time in front of you directly. Okay, guys. So I'm just creating app. Okay, no business manager account selected. So guys, I have business manager account. So just for you, I am going to use this one, guys. Okay. I selected my business manager account. One Facebook ID for one, remember guys, remember this guys. Okay. For one Facebook ID, you will get two business account. Okay. Two business account, and per business account, you will get five ads account. Okay. I'm repeating, five ads account per business manager. Okay. Per business manager, and per Facebook profile, you will get two business manager. Okay. This is policy right now. Later, I don't know, it can be changed. So I'm just going to create app. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Password. Using this, guys, let me show you what will happen. Never. Guys, this is taking little bit time. That's why I'm just rhyming my song, guys. So guys, if you will do all these things, this this option will come in front of you. But guys, what I was looking for, okay, we were looking for app ID and app secret, but here how we will get that app event, everything we need to set up, guys. It will take too much time, guys. Okay, only for two things I came here. So guys, I'm just actually, okay guys, this is app ID. Okay, wait, app ID. I'm just uh, okay guys, give me 1 minute, just let me type this one. Actually, I'm not able to copy this one. 1287 707 364 7834. So this is my app ID, guys. Okay, it will be too much easy. It will be too much important for you. Not easy, guys. Not easy. Now I know I want secret key. So where I will see my secret key, guys. Uh, let me see. App ID, app type is business. Guys, just give me 1 minute, okay? I'm just searching secret key. Okay, after searching that, I will come in front of you with both option and then we will go ahead. Okay, guys, just give me a little bit time. Okay, guys, so I found my app secret, which is here. Okay, so I'm just copying this one and right now I'm just pasting here so that it will be saved for us. And now I'm just saving changes. Just give me time, guys. Give me, okay. Term of services privacy policy URL. So come here. Okay. This is privacy policy URL, guys. Okay. Copy this privacy policy URL. Paste here. Term of service URL. Too much different things, guys. Here. Okay. Term of service. See. Please ensure you these things and all. Oh, it will take too much time, guys, I think. But no worry. We should try. And where we redirected, guys, let me see. Okay, but I need URL. Okay, I need, yes, URL. Choose category. What category is want? Actually, business and pages. I'm choosing this one randomly, guys. I already kept the parameter is required. I put right. Okay, but let's see what will happen. uh just okay, terms of service. Just let me put this here and I'm just going back, guys. It's not going back. uh, so let me save changes, guys. It's saved, okay, from my side, but let me, okay, now it's working fine, but too fast. Callback URL, anywhere callback URL or something like that. App ID, guys, you will see your app ID and app secret here. Okay, come here, settings. See guys, this. Okay, here in setting, in basic, you will see. Okay, guys, see. Okay, remember this setting dashboard. Come here, basic. When you click on this, you will see app ID and app secret. Okay, now come here and I'm just putting this my app ID, okay, from here to here, and my app secret from here to here. And guys, I'm done this, but callback URL privacy policy I kept, but callback URL and all these things where I have to put. Uh, Actually, there is no option right now. I just did all these things. So guys, we should go ahead, I think. Let me check this advanced option. Okay, guys, so this is how you will create your app according to this tool, which I created in front of you directly. So let me see if there is, if any URL I need to paste somewhere. So we will do that, and then we will go ahead. So this is my personal things, guys. I don't need anything to do here as per my knowledge. Okay, guys, so I'm just leaving this. Oh, sorry. Let me put this in the side. Nothing like I actually, if I'm looking for this URL, I need to put somewhere or not. But no worry, guys. I'm just saving this one. Okay, so now we will see what will happen. Saved. Okay, guys. Okay, so I did this, guys. So I showed you all these things, guys. I was here. I was here. No, I was not here. I was in some, I think I was here. So I'm just creating campaign right now. This both are too much easy, guys. Okay, you can go ahead and you can put according to you. For example, online is redirected URL. For example, redirected URL. Okay, this is my key. So guys, I'm putting my page link just for example, guys, just for example. Okay. So this is redirected URL so that someone will come to my button and click, they will redirect on this. Step 2, guys, list required. So list, this is Hitesh Pokle, which I already created in front of you. I'm just using this one. Automation workflow, yes. Enable external autoresponder. No, I'm not using like this right now, this one. So custom URL, custom URL. Again, I'm putting my page, guys, for example. Okay. So where it is, where it is. Okay. What is this? Okay, I'm just putting this one, for example. Select SMTP or select automation. So I'm just choosing this one, test one. And I think I'm done from my side. I'm just continuing this SMTP. Okay, where is SMTP? Select SMTP. There's nothing to select SMTP, guys. Let me switch off this. Okay, so nothing to SMTP and something like that. So let's do this right now. Okay, so this is your promote URL, guys. Okay, so I'm just copying this one. Okay, this is, I have option here. Okay, and now I will put this, what is it actually? Okay, this nothing is here. So let's see, guys, what will come. I'm just testing this and let's see. It will be random thing, okay, because I didn't finish all these things completely. Okay, I was just showing you. This is for showing purpose, guys. Social network share, you can share all this on all this network. Okay, you need to import and connect all these accounts. From here you will see some options, maybe there's some options, but right now I'm just leaving this one because it will take too much time, guys. Okay, view generated URLs, like this is generated URL. So yes, generate URL. Okay, guys, so online base, I generated this one. This is my redirect URL. Guys, actually try to understand. Okay, I'm getting a little bit because I don't have complete and each and every knowledge. Still, I'm doing all these things for you. So just click on this plus button. Let me see. Okay, so just because of this, you will see how many clicks and leads. Actually, this is for analysis. This is your promote URL, okay, which we got just right now. So this will be your promote URL. You can put this on anywhere. Okay, or it maybe you can put this on automation and done for your things, because this product is going to claim, actually this product is claiming this all things. Okay, so all these things you will get. So this will be your promote URL. You have to paste this URL somewhere inside this. So we will check all these things and you will start getting some results. So I'm just leaving this one. I'm just going done for your campaign. Please purchase OTO one. Okay, so I'm just leaving this one right now, because here you will see this is OTO one front end traffic training, guys. This is important. Okay, so let me show you what is inside this. Okay, it will be download. Till then we will okay guys, so when you will click on this front end traffic training, this is a zip file of 117 MB, guys. So you will get something. I'm just pausing this one, I'm just stopping this one. Okay, so I'm just leaving this one. This is pro traffic training. It may be for purchase, and yes, it is for that. Now view analytics, guys, this is too much easy. You have to see your calculation and datas. Okay, how many clicks and leads you got. Okay, see how many clicks and leads you got, conversion and something like that. Okay, from which country, this is called geography and something like that. So it is for only analytics. So search products, marketplace search, sellers. So I think this is like e-com. So let's check this one. Marketplace is Facebook Marketplace. Okay, search. For example, I'm just doing this one. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm not wasting my time on this. Okay, this is too much pretty cool and simple things. You can select any marketplace. For example, I'm choosing this one. It's see. Okay, I hope you know all these things. So I'm just closing, guys. This one. This is complete traffic training. Okay, because it will. Okay, let me resume it, guys. Okay, leave it. Already it's too fast. Okay, okay. So let me show you what is inside this. So guys, I search about Etsy, it's come. Okay, let me show my screen. Let me keep here. No, this is easy keyword affiliate details. And okay guys, so I hope you got this is sales page. I don't need to show you what is inside the sales page. This is affiliate detail. You have to take details from here. Okay, just like me, I'm going to click this one and let me show you what is coming in front of you. So this is redirected to the another page. So all details will come, how many percentage you will get. This is your affiliate link, something like that. Okay, and you have to just promote that. Okay, so you will search marketplaces and you can attach your this link on your page and something like that inside this campaign. Okay, here, and just you will start getting some traffic. So guys, I'm just showing you what is inside this. So show in the folder. So guys, video will be too much long, but each and every knowledge you will get. Okay, this is okay. So I'm just this is 116 MB, guys. I'm just clicking on this. It's taking time again. So guys, you will get training like this. Okay, see, this is completely MP4, guys. Okay, video you can see MP4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10 videos you are going to get, guys, here. Okay, 10 videos you will get. See, massive traffic made easy. Okay, this is again traffic from social media, siphoning traffic. Get your biz on. Okay, actually you are getting much knowledge, guys, inside. Okay, when you learn all these things, actually in starting you will feel something difficult, but when you will start using, okay, it will be easy. Okay, something like me. Okay, I got app ID and app secrets directly in front of you just by trying new things, but just by clicking on button. Okay, I didn't come in front of you by doing practice. So I'm just closing this right now. I'm going back again. Okay guys, so this is redirected into the Zavizu. Okay, when I search on Etsy, you can see. Okay, I search on Etsy, you can search for anything. Zavizu, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. Okay, so I just for showing purpose, put this one and we redirected here just because of some products. I clicked on some products. So you will get say Easy Sketch Pro Business, something like that. You can go for request approval Okay, all commission and see commission 50%. Okay, refund amount you can see. So just because of a refund percentage, you can take some imagination, not imagination. You can know the reality. What is this product? If this is product is good or not in actual. Okay, something like that. So guys, I'm just leaving this because it will take too much time. Sellers, guy, I'm leaving this one again. Sync autoresponder. If you have any type of autoresponder, like just like Klaviyo get responder, so you can just yeah, some same. Okay, this is for email marketing, so you can just connect this all this from here directly by using API key. List required, I have this list, guys. Okay, you can create list by using some campaigns from here. Okay, and but just on that list you can run this automation email marketing campaign. Okay, and just that's how you will start getting some results. So email templates, this is templates, guys, just for grabbing some attraction from the people. So this will be something like that. Okay, so I'm not going much deeper with this because this is not too much difficult thing. Okay, with difficult things I'm already going ahead so that you will get some knowledge. So configure sub users, so you can do that. Okay, actually this is for giving permission. Okay, something like in Shopify store, in our different office, actually virtual office, we get some, actually we take some options to our different users, some permissions, something like giving some permissions. So it will be something like that. Okay, this is for that. Add sub user list if you are multiple sub users. Okay, this is for that. So come setting SMTP profile, guys. Add new profile, view profile, autoresponder setup. This is simple, easy. App setting. Okay, let me show you this one, guys. App setting, custom domain, generate API key, emails, okay, reports, daily reports. Okay, you can choose anything, generate API key. So guys, this is a new application. I think you are getting inside this because on this button, if you click, so this will be your API key. Okay, API key generated successful, please copy. Yes, okay. So just by copying this API, okay, you can, this application, you can connect with another some application, okay, where it will be usable. Okay, and then just because of this API key, you can use this application outside this tool. Okay, in somewhere another application, another virtual office, something like that. Okay, so you will get training inside this. Okay, you can just go to the help and you can take some supports. So custom domain, okay, let me show you this one more, guys. Custom domain, download files, save and all, not too much interested and not too much difficult things. Visited users, you will see data, how many people and visitors come on your page on website. This is for that. Okay, so now the logout button, reseller, I'm leaving this one because you can create some reseller for your product. Okay, so I don't know what is this, what is it in actual, but I try to show you each and everything. Okay, this is search product, I did this. Sync autoresponder, I did this, I think. Configure sub users and all these things I did. Okay, yes, I did all these things. Okay, list you have to create inside this. Or guys, if you have even more doubt, so you can ask me in the comment. Okay, so I did set up, you have to do all setup like same which I shown you, and then you will be able to run all these things. Okay, you can create list which I already shown you, something like this. Let me export, for example, because before I didn't do that. Search list, Hitesh, choose any future type, future date. Okay, apply, select country, nothing, and just see what will happen. Processing, no data available. Okay, if you have any data in your list, you will get something. Okay, this is for that. So create list, setup automation. Okay, workflow means you have to set some actions step by step, just like funnel. Okay, when someone purchase from one page, then funnel, what the funnel will do, the funnel will redirect to you on another page for some upsells and OTOs. Okay, related the product which you purchased, like just right now. Okay, something like that. So it is also something like that. Okay, you have to just set up some funnels. If someone will come on your page, okay, they will give you leads, name, email, so that in future you can do some email marketing. Later you will pitch some product on second page. Okay, so it will be like workflow. Okay, same, it will be like same. Okay, so I just tried it before, but before I didn't added my app ID and all. Okay, puppy is okay. Continuing, add step. Okay, I'm doing this day. Okay, this is for one day. Automation detail. I'm just running this for one day, so I'm just choosing one day. You can do and you can go ahead with many. Okay, you can go for even 1 month. So I'm right now using 1 month. Time means at 12 a.m. upcoming time. See, 7:57 p.m. right now. At 12 a.m. it will start. Okay, so I'm just saving this one. Design email. Okay, so this is for email marketing, guys. Okay, design email means put subject. For example, I love you. Okay, for dating. So I just did this, guys. I'm just saving this, for example, and now this is added from my side. Now final step automation you have to set. Okay, then it will be able for work. Okay, are you sure to apply this automation for all users after today's date? Yes. So you have to click this, you have to submit this, and your workflow will be set up. Okay, that's how you have to do this. Okay, I this puppy I did all in front of you, or one more I did luxury items. Yes, I think luxury items, it was mine, but okay, today's 12. Okay, yes, this is mine, guys. Okay, so okay, guys, I'm just leaving right now. I'm done from my side. Okay, so this is my page. You can see I'm coming with this bonuses, which is case study for this leads. This is my second. Okay, modern blogging, because from blogging you can generate so much money, guys. That's why this is complete video course you will get for as a bonus for free. This is traffic booster to increase some more traffic boost. Okay, this is amazing and overrated traffic, guys. This is viral Widly. Okay, so all you are going, these three steps you have to apply for this bonus. Okay, so you have to just take action for these three steps. You will get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I paid this, but you will get for free just by clicking on this button. And even if you pick up the front end of this easiest commission ever. Okay, so guys, you don't think I didn't finish each and everything completely, because this may be in underworking process. It will be launched at, I think, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, EST. Okay, so no worry, you can go through my page on main page. This is the main page. Let me show you. Okay, all these things are available. All videos and something demos are available. Okay, so all step by step process you will get. Okay, main basic ideas I already given you. Okay, and each and everything, actually too much big page it is. Okay, okay, you can just scrolling, you can just keep scrolling. Okay, something like this I'm doing. Okay, so you will get many things inside this, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Okay, I did all these things and I'm just leaving this now, right now. Okay, you can go through the link below, just learn all these things. After learning you will start getting some results, don't worry about that. Okay, I did all these things in front of you. Step by step you will learn all these things, and we will meet with another piece. Okay, with another time. Till then, bye.